Samsung's Galaxy Z TriFold is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious foldable devices ever made, and thanks to new leaks, many of its major details are becoming clearer. Evan Blass, a highly accurate leaker, has revealed key specifications, design insights, and important features that give a strong picture of what Samsung is preparing to launch. This triple folding smartphone is expected to be showcased very soon, and it's already gaining huge attention for its unique form factor and powerful hardware. The Galaxy Z TriFold is expected to feature a massive 10-inch inner display. This is bigger than most foldable screens and almost the size of a full tablet. According to the leak, this main screen will offer 1600 nits of peak brightness, making it bright enough for outdoor use even under sunlight. Along with that comes a 6.5-inch cover screen that becomes the phone's front display when folded. Surprisingly, this smaller screen is expected to deliver an impressive 2600 nits of peak brightness, much brighter than many flagship phones today and significantly brighter than the Z Fold 7's outer display. In its folded form, the device resembles the Galaxy Z Fold 7, but once opened fully, it transforms into a full-size tablet. This design gives users the portability of a phone and the productivity of a tablet in one single device. Leaked images also show that Samsung is keeping the overall look premium and minimalistic, sticking to its classic foldable design language. A 200-megapixel primary camera is also on the list of confirmed features. This megapixel count matches earlier leaks and shows that Samsung is not compromising on photography even with such a complex foldable structure. A large camera sensor on a device with 3 connected panels is a big engineering challenge, but Samsung appears to be confident about its camera performance. Battery life is another area where the TriFold seems promising. The leaked information mentions a 437 mAh rated battery capacity. As usual, Samsung is expected to round this up to a 600 mAh, typical value for marketing purposes, just as it does with the Galaxy Z Fold series. A battery this size is important for such a large display setup, as powering a 10-inch screen and an additional 6.5-inch panel requires strong endurance. The chipset is confirmed to be a Snapdragon processor. The exact model remains unclear, which is unusual for Samsung, especially so close to launch. However, using Snapdragon makes sense, as Samsung typically selects the most stable and powerful chips for its experimental devices. There's also a design detail worth noting. The thickness of the device's 3 leaves is not the same. The panels range from 3.9 mm to 4.2 mm in thickness. While this might sound uneven, Samsung likely has a practical reason behind it, possibly related to hinge design, heat management, or internal component placement. Brightness is another interesting comparison point. While the huge 10-inch screen peaks at 1600 nits, it still falls short of the Z Fold 7's 8-inch display. However, the TriFold's 6.5-inch cover screen beats the Z Fold 7's cover display by a large margin, 2600 nits versus 1400 nits. This means everyday use on the outer screen will be far more comfortable for users. The biggest mystery, however, is the price. Current expectations suggest a price somewhere between $2,000 and $3,000 in South Korea. This is a wide range, and Samsung's decision will play a huge role in the device's success. The company reportedly aims to sell only around 20,000 to 30,000 units, meaning it is treating the TriFold as a premium experimental product, not a mass-market one. Availability might disappoint many users as well. Recent reports indicate that the Galaxy Z TriFold will launch only in select countries, including South Korea, China, Singapore, and the UAE. Europe and the United States are expected to be excluded from the initial rollout beginning December 5. Samsung hopes the TriFold will help strengthen its position in the foldable market, but challenges remain. One major concern is Apple's upcoming foldable iPhone, which is expected soon. Samsung may need stronger mainstream devices like the future Galaxy Z Fold 8 and a more affordable Z Flip Fan edition to truly maintain its lead. The Galaxy Z TriFold is an exciting glimpse into the future of foldable technology, a bold step forward even if it isn't perfect. All eyes now turn to Samsung's official announcement as the world waits to see how this triple folding device will reshape the smartphone landscape.